What it do? What it do? Hood commentary coming through. Yep. I got a master lock. I seen this on the internet. I'm gonna prove it. Hood commentary. Got 2 wrenches. Alright, let's see what I can do here. You take them. You take the 2 niggas. You take them, right? Get some motherfucking leverage. You can see right here. Some motherfucking leverage up on there. Hook them up like that. You know what I'm saying? And use some motherfucking elbow grease. I should be able to get it according to the internet. Yep, I got it. That shit. Pop that motherfucker open. Hood commentary, cuz. Pop that shit. Rock it. With 2 of these motherfuckers. Alright? You don't need no fancy shit. You ain't needing this. You don't need this. You don't need to go like this. Fuck that. Hood commentary, cuz.